I'm Justin Hancock, garden guru with Costa Farms. Bonsai is popular these days, and we grow a lot of it here at Costa Farms. One of the prettiest is a variety of ficus called ginseng. We get a lot of questions about how to grow ginseng bonsai, so here's how. 1. Make sure it gets bright but indirect light. A sunny windowsill is fantastic for these plants. If there is too much light, putting a sheer curtain in between them and the window to help filter the light will help them do even better. 2. When it comes to watering, you'll want to water it about once a week. Allow the soil to just dry, then water it again. Take care not to overwater your bonsai. That's the most common cause of death. As far as pruning and shaping goes, you'll want to prune your bonsai about once a year. Prune both the top, carefully lift it out of the pot, and prune the roots as well. Those are 3 easy tips for growing ficus ginseng indoors and having a beautiful bonsai all the time.